We all are seekers of permanent peace, happiness, love, and wisdom, including all the living species. But what happens? We have started searching this peace and happiness, love, and wisdom outside in the world. Can you tell me? Anything that you like and you get a pleasure contains the property of peace and happiness and love? Normally we say, I love this smartphone, I love this TV. But nothing outside contains peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom. The entire journey of the human life is wasted in finding happiness outside in the world. We have no right to die before we discover peace and happiness. But then we have to follow the principles of Eastern wisdom logically, without any belief, but by understanding. In this channel, we follow step by step, understanding the principles followed by the practice to help you reach to that state. Be happy.